Max and I are down here on the Oak Orchard, aren't we? We're in the old catfishing boat. Maybe we can get some catfish today. Well, we're going to give it a try. On today's bait menu, we got frozen chubs, night crawlers, and sweet corn. Let's give it a go, Max. What do you say? Max doesn't like getting it, so he likes the boat, don't you? Well, that's good, buddy. We got one on here, boys. Using a bobber. I just want to make sure I got a good hook set here. Another bowfin. It's a bowfin. Another bowfin, boys. Look at that, it's another bowfin. Boy, they fight good. Hey, it's a fish. He's gonna get him, but look at the colors. They're actually pretty. They got a beautiful color to them. Bowfin. Look at the colors on this bowfin. He's actually beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Look at that bright green. Well, we're gonna get the hook out of him. We're gonna release him in the net. Well, that was a pretty good battle. I'll just find a long nose pliers. These boys got some nasty teeth. I just barely had them up. We're gonna release them in the net. We're gonna release them right in the net. Oh, he didn't get out yet, boy. There he goes. Well, that was fun, buddy. I bet he was 5 pounds. Got him on a piece of frozen cut bait. This is what we caught him on. These chubs were frozen and I thawed them out. Then I cut them up. Take an old shirt, don't I, Max? Get that old shirt soaking wet and put it on Max. Cause he's like color. He can actually sunburn. He likes it, don't Max? Max, look. You like that, don't you, bud? Does that feel good on you? Yeah. That'll keep you cool. Yeah. That keeps him good and cool. He likes them. He's a cool boy. I think we just had a hit on this sucker. Boy was going down. Fish on, boy. Boy. Pike this time. Got a pike on.
Pike?
Yeah, a pike. I caught a bowfin and a pike so far.
Yeah, they got a lot of bowfins there.
Yeah, I know. They're good fighters, though. Alright, we just got a nice little pike. Feels about 5 pounds. We just got a nice little northern on a piece of cut chub. Feels about 5 pounds. Oh, let me get the hook out of that, boy. We'll release him in the net. Oh, that's a nice little northern. He feels about 4 pounds. We're gonna let this boy go. There he goes. Well, that was fun, Max. Just caught a pike, a bowfin, and a pike so far. We got one on, boys. We got one on here. Oh, it's a sucker on a worm. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, big old sucker. Man, look at the size of that sucker. Boy, that sucker is gonna be bait. Yes, sir, Mr. Sucker. I'd like to thank you. Max, we're gonna save that sucker. Wow. Man, I seen some big gar pike. I tried to put the bait on them, but I couldn't get them to take it. Some huge gar pike. And I'd like to thank you for watching our videos. May the good Lord take a liking to you. And don't let the game vultures get you there, you handsome little devil.
Live from Cut Boat Fishing, Grand Mass, as a joint champion production.